Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to finalize our Access Denied page and create some refactoring files in our service layer by identity. And okay, alright, now let's start with the Access Denied page first. Let's go back to the controller. Public action result access denied, and that's all. It's going to be a static page. We're going to finish quickly. Add view, razor view, and it's going to be empty. I'm gonna bring it from the sign up page, and I'm gonna delete the form, and I'm going to insert the 404 page, and we're going to amend it to 403. Okay. Let's find. Yeah, let's find first the sign up. Where's the sign up? Authentication, sign up, Control A, Control C, and Control V. Delete all main and delete that model. We don't have any model because it's going to be static page. Access denied. Yeah, let's find the our static page. This is 404. We only need this section in the main. No, of course with the container. Yeah, just inside of the main because we just copy and paste the other rest of them. Control V, delete here. Let's make it admin, the folder name, make it 403, and the text is you do not have any permission to see this page. Yeah, and ASP controller ASP action index direct to the home page. Okay, when we click the button will direct us to the home page. Perfect. Let's see the view now. Yeah, we are waiting. Here we go. You don't have any permission to see this page. This is not gonna work because we didn't build our home page yet. So I'm not gonna hit the button. Let's go back. Let's save everything. Close all tabs. Minimize it. And let's start refactoring now. Controllers, authentication. Let's have a look step by step. Is there any place we need to change? Validation. This mapping can be done at the service layer. But just for the mapping, I'm not gonna send it back to the. I'm sorry, yeah. I'm not gonna make it. I'm not gonna make a service layer just for mapper, just for now. If for the future we need any different uh, special specifications, we can create our service layer. Let's have a look. Login, validation, user, login result, login logout, lockout. Forgot password. String reset token, generate password reset token. Yeah, we can send it to this for, yeah, to the service layer. Yeah, I think so. what we have here, validation as user, reset password result. Okay. Let's collapse again. Let's have a look at my previous project. Let's see how I done, and we can have a result after all. Controls, authentication controller, collapse definition, and let's see the service layer. Oh, identity. Where is the services? Yeah, here we go. So we create user and message link. Yeah, I thought that as well. It might be. What about create mapping, create user, creating role? Yeah, and claims. So we don't have the role and claim yet. So we only have this section. So it's not necessary just for this one. Request, mapping. Yeah, okay. For now, we can leave it like that, and we can add this section later. Let's leave it like that for now. Okay. So I'm just gonna create a service just for the forgot password section. Here we go. Yeah, just for here. Let's try to create our services. Services, identity, concrete. Add class. Authentication, custom service. Add now interface has been created. Public and public control RG interface authenticate custom service. Okay, so what we need here, task return is going to be void because let me have a look. Controller. So we're going to, yeah, the result is just a result. There is nothing, we, there is no return value here. Let's make it task. The name is what's his job? This is send password reset link with token, and this is create token and link. Create reset credentials and send. Yeah. So what we need here, yeah, here. So what we need here is user and token and reset link. We're going to create reset link inside. We're going to create token inside anyway, so we don't need them. We need HTTP context and URL. Yeah, user URL context. And we can say app user URL URL HTTP context. Let's say context. What's the URL? Let's get back to the URL. This is IURL helper. Let's add IURL helper URL. Alright, let's implement our interface. Let's copy our codes. And we need implement. Oops, sorry. Let's implement our helper. What was the email send method? Email. Alright, let's create constructor. Control C, Control V. With email as a password reset link. Let's change this to the URL. We need a user manager. App user, user manager, and here we go. We have a user manager, and let's add to the user here. Set async. Yep. Use reset token ready. Password reset ready. Has user is going to be user, and HTTP context is context. Request is we need the request here, right? We need to bring the request here as well. Send password reset link. So we need one more variable, huh? The request. So let's copy that one, comma, request. And where is the, yeah, here we go. Request.email. So all we need to do now, let's copy this section and before that, of course, we need to change this. Let's delete the email method first. Yeah, delete it. Delete. Yeah. Now let's add private read only. Authentication service. Authentication service. All done. Sign in user manager, yeah, perfect. Now await authentication server dot. Oh, this is wrong. Sorry, authentication custom. My bad, guys. Sorry. Custom. Let's change this one as well. Perfect. Yeah. Now what we need is user is has user, comma. HTTP context is HTTP context, comma. URL is URL, comma. And request is going to request. It's all done now. Yeah. Perfect. Create reset credential and send. Password reset. Let's, yeah. Perfect, it's done. Anything else do we need? Let's have a look here. No. User manager, user manager. Actually, there is two user manager here. Maybe we can take those, but we have redirection, so we need to keep those here. We need to be redirected. Alright. No problem. Return view, return. Okay, perfect. Okay, guys, let's finish this lesson here, and we can continue the other part of the identity, and we can little bit more closer to the finish this project. And let's see you on other lesson. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.